Good morning, Dugan. The weather for Friday, February 23rd. Gonna have some showers this morning with a high of 45 degrees. Have an awesome weekend. These dragons celebrate a birthday today. Happy birthday. Today's School Spirit Day. Join us as we sing the Dugan School Song.
We love Dugan School 'cause we think it's so cool. We're so happy to come every day. All the teachers are the best by far. They guide us and show us the way. All the students care, they respect and they share. Now we're all gathered here to say we love to go to Dugan School. It's the best in the USA. Hooray!
Third graders have been working on their stop-motion animation projects in Google Slides. Check this one out by Alexa D. and Kayla Z. from Miss Caso's class.
And now let us recite the Dugan Kids for Character Pledge. We pledge to be kids for character. We will be worthy of trust. We will be respectful and responsible, doing what we must. We will always act with fairness. We will show that we care. We will be good citizens and always do our share.
Well, Dugan, that's wrap. Tune in Monday for more daily announcements. DNN, signing off.